Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications and smart contracts. It was proposed by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 and launched in 2015. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin in that it not only serves as a digital currency but also allows developers to build decentralized applications using its blockchain technology. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency is called Ether, ETH, which is used to facilitate transactions and pay for the execution of smart contracts on the network. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. These contracts are executed on the Ethereum blockchain and can be used for a wide range of purposes such as crowdfunding, supply chain management, and more. Ethereum uses a consensus mechanism called Proof of Work, POW, to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. However, Ethereum is currently transitioning to a more energy-efficient consensus mechanism called Proof of Stake, in which validators must hold a certain amount of Ether, and are chosen to validate transactions based on the amount they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Overall, Ethereum provides a decentralized platform for developers to build a wide range of decentralized applications and smart contracts, and its innovative technology has the potential to transform many industries. A smart contract is a computer program that automatically executes the terms of a contract when certain conditions are met. Smart contracts are self-executing and operate on a blockchain network, such as Ethereum. They allow parties to enter into agreements without the need for intermediaries, such as lawyers or banks, to verify and enforce the contract. On the Ethereum blockchain, smart contracts are written in a programming language called Solidity and are stored on the blockchain as code. When a smart contract is executed, it is validated by nodes on the network, and the results are recorded on the blockchain. The terms of a smart contract are defined by the parties involved and can be anything that can be represented in code. For example, a smart contract could be used to facilitate a payment between two parties when certain conditions are met, such as the completion of a job. Smart contracts can be used for a wide range of purposes, including financial contracts, supply chain management, and digital identity verification. They provide a secure, transparent, and efficient way to execute agreements, without the need for intermediaries. Overall, smart contracts are a powerful tool for automating business processes and creating trust in a decentralized network such as Ethereum. In July 2014, the Ethereum team launched an initial crowd sale, which raised over 31,000 BTC, around $18 million at the time, which was used to fund the development of the Ethereum platform. The Ethereum blockchain officially launched in July 2015, with a core development team led by Buterin. The launch of Ethereum introduced several new features and improvements over the original Bitcoin blockchain, including the ability to support smart contracts, a more energy-efficient consensus mechanism, and faster transaction times. Since its launch, Ethereum has seen significant growth and adoption. In 2016, the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, a decentralized investment fund built on the Ethereum blockchain, raised over $150 million in its initial coin offering. However, the DAO was eventually hacked, leading to a controversial hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain, which created Ethereum Classic. Despite this setback, Ethereum continued to grow and evolve. In 2017, the value of Ether, Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, skyrocketed, reaching an all-time high of over $1,400 in January 2018. This surge in value was driven in part by the growth of the eco-market, which saw numerous new projects launching on the Ethereum blockchain and raising significant amounts of funding. However, the eco-market also brought new challenges for Ethereum, as many projects failed or turned out to be scams. Additionally, the growth of the eco-market led to scalability issues on the Ethereum blockchain, as the network struggled to handle the increasing volume of transactions. To address these issues, Ethereum has undergone several significant upgrades and improvements in recent years. The most notable of these is the ongoing transition from a proof-of-work consensus mechanism to a more energy-efficient proof-of-stake mechanism. The transition to POS is expected to significantly improve the scalability and efficiency of the Ethereum network. Overall, the history of Ethereum is characterized by growth, innovation, and evolution. From its initial launch as a white paper to its current status as one of the most widely used blockchain platforms, Ethereum has had a significant impact on the cryptocurrency and blockchain industries, and is poised to continue evolving and growing in the years to come. Ethereum has been one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies in recent years, and many investors view it as a promising long-term investment. However, like any investment, there are risks involved, and it's important to do your own research and understand the risks before investing. If you decide to invest in Ethereum, there are several ways to get started. One common way is to buy Ethereum on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges available, including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, among others. You can sign up for an account on an exchange, and then deposit fiat currency, such as USD, to buy Ethereum. Another way to invest in Ethereum is through an exchange-traded fund or a mutual fund that invests in cryptocurrencies. These funds can provide exposure to Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies without the need for direct investment. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that investing in Ethereum, like any investment, involves risk. The value of Ethereum can be volatile and can fluctuate rapidly in response to market conditions and news events. It's important to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Overall, investing in Ethereum can be a promising opportunity for long-term investors, but it's important to approach it with caution and do your own research before getting started. The future of Ethereum looks promising, as the platform continues to evolve and improve. Here are some of the developments and trends to watch for in the coming years. Ethereum 2.0. This upgrade, known as Ethereum 2.0, will also introduce new features, such as sharding and rollups, which will further improve the performance and usability of the network. DeFi, decentralized finance, has emerged as one of the most promising use cases for Ethereum. DeFi applications allow users to access financial services, such as lending and borrowing, without the need for intermediaries. NFTs allow creators to monetize digital content, such as art and music, and are being used in a wide range of industries, including gaming, sports, and entertainment. Overall, the future of Ethereum looks bright, as the platform continues to evolve and innovate.